Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll go for electrical engineering domain and we'll perform one of the virtual experiments from there. So, you can simply reach to this virtual labs platform by typing the URL, that is www.vlab.co.in. So for the users who do not have any idea about this particular platform, they can simply go in the description part and find the link for the previous videos. So once we reach to the main home page, you simply scroll it down. So these are the broad areas in which virtual labs have been developed. Just to make sure you remember, these are the free labs. You can easily use this particular labs anytime, anywhere. You just require a system and internet connection. So we'll simply select the electrical engineering discipline. Now we have the labs that are ready for use. And once you scroll it down, you'll see the electrical machines lab by IIT Guwahati. Just below it, we have the two other options, reference book tab, where the user can find the book they should refer to, and also the syllabus mapping of which all universities the syllabus have been covered in this particular lab. Also, at the very bottom part, you have the NPTEL video lectures. So for if you want to go for the in-depth theoretical knowledge, you can simply refer to NPTEL video lectures. And for the practical one, you have this virtual labs. Now, without wasting any further time, let us quickly go for electrical machines lab. Now, once I click on this particular lab, after that, I have the list of experiments. You can see various experiments have been mentioned over here. So we'll start with rotating magnetic field behavior in two coils. We'll simply click on that. Now, as soon as we click on that, we have a complete learning system. We have the introduction part in which we have the objective, that why we are performing this particular experiment, and also a small overview has been given to you. Then comes the theory part in which the basic concept behind it has been mentioned. For example, in this case, it is Lenz law. So the Lenz laws have been explained over here. Also, scroll it down, you can see these various links. So every link has their own importance. For example, if you want to see the comparison between the original and the resulting waves, so you can simply click on this particular link, and there you go, you have the results. I'll simply go back. Now, then comes the main part, the procedure part. So in the procedure part, whatever the steps you need to take care onto the simulator window have been mentioned over here. You can simply have a look to it. Now, these kind of labs are developed in self-learning mode, and also they have certain animations and video tutorials. So if you observe carefully, after the point number 7, we have an option to watch the video tutorial for this particular experiment. So what we can do, we can simply click on that, and then we are over here, we have this particular video. So you see in this particular video, if I simply play it out, so this whole setup would be available to us once we go for the experiment part. So again, with help of the video, you can simply learn and understand that how you need to make the connections and how you can take the readings. So you can simply go and explore this particular video as well. I'm going back right now. Then I go for the experiment part. Please remember, Adobe Flash Player must be enabled in your system, must be there in your system, and must be enabled in the web browser that you are using. So I hope most of the users, they can easily recall that this is the same setup that we have observed in the video as well. Now we have these two coils, the red one and the blue one. So we'll connect one terminal of the red coil to phase 1. So how to make the connection? Click on this particular endpoint, click, you can see then there's a wire, drag and put it over here. Now the other terminals of the wire to neutral. So after doing it, we have this Hall sensors with us. So what we'll do, we'll simply click the Hall sensors to the channel of the oscilloscope. And once we have done everything, so now we can check that whether our connections are right or wrong. Okay, so it is developed in self-learning mode. So again, you can see you have an option over here where you can check whether the connections that you have made are right or not. So it says right connection. Simply click on OK. Now simply switch on the MCB. Now then you can modify the current and the frequencies, and you can easily see the observations. You can see we have the mathematical representation. We simply enable the channels. You can see the graph on the oscilloscope, and you have the magnetic flux lines and the vector field summation. So everything has been given to you. You want to observe the various value, just modify the parameters, change the phase shift, and you can also enable the harmonics as well. So similarly, you can simply see this particular setup. Virtually, you are performing the experiment on this particular setup. You have checked that the connections that were made were right. And after that, you are turning on the MCB, and then there you go, you have the various outputs. I'll simply turn off the MCB now. So last part, once I scroll it up, we have the quiz. So a user, they can simply answer these particular questions, and then they are done with this particular experiment. So I hope this particular video is useful for you, and with the help of this, you can also explore the various experiments. That was all for this particular video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.